Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be comparing Jungle Scout and Helium 10 to my own product again. Did this a couple months ago. I thought it was a fun experiment. Now I thought it would be interesting after, this product's been launched for a while now. When I did it, it was just launching. See, now that they've been able to collect more data, which one is, first of all, more accurate, and if they're even in the ballpark. All right, let's jump into it. Be sure to like and subscribe if you happen to be new, but without further ado, let's get started. So we're gonna move over into my computer here, and we just landed on my product listing right here. You can see we did get Amazon's choice, which is phenomenal. I don't think it does anything at all. It just basically, I think it means if someone were to say, hey Alexa, buy macrame wall hanging shelf, like who would say that? But I guess that's what it would do. And there's some props to be had there, I guess. So we're gonna start by looking at my actual sales I've sorted just by this product alone. So you're just gonna be seeing on the Seller Central app this product and this product only, and the sales history for the last 30 days. So you can see it's at 12,030 in sales for the last 30 days. Just to get that a refresh there. And then that'll serve as our basis, right? So now we actually know what the sales are. We know exactly how many, to the dollar amount, $12,030 was sold. Now let's just go ahead and pull up Jungle Scout and Helium 10. It's gonna be a pretty quick video, but I love doing this kind of stuff, this experimental fact checking basically. So we'll see how accurate these are in case you're thinking about getting either one of them. Let's see. So we'll pull up Jungle Scout first. It's one I tend to use the most. Whoa, okay, not even close. So I guess 4,700 is what it's saying. Not right. It's actually 3 times that. So that's interesting. I don't know why that's so low. It's kind of weird. Okay, well, I'd rather be low than high, but that's a little too low. I mean, that's kind of can be skewing what you're looking at. I guess I was not expecting that, to be honest. And we'll pull up Helium 10 here. Let's see, where is it? I actually don't use this too much. I always get lost. There's a lot of numbers. Okay, 9.8. So that's actually a lot closer. And the graph looks very similar to my actual sales graph. That's not correct though. This has been one of my better months just lately. So graph's not exactly right. Thought it was when I was looking at the 30 days. That's kind of how it's been going. But 9.8 from Helium 10, 4.7 from Jungle Scout, and then 12.03 is the real number. So just in case you don't have any way to actually check these, I thought I'd make this video for you because you need a product that's selling, and if you're just getting started and deciding which software to use, maybe this would be helpful for you. Now last time, it's weird because last time actually Jungle Scout won. Now we got Helium 10 won this round. Maybe we'll have to do round 3 in another 3 months or so, and get a more accurate reading, I guess. So it's interesting because none of them have actually been exactly right. Okay, so again, they are estimations. They're not going to be exactly right, but I thought they would have been closer. So even 9.8 is where we're missing 1.2 thousand there. We're actually missing 2,000. I don't know where that math came from. And then Jungle Scout, we're missing 8,000. So 8,000 in sales is quite a bit to be missing. I don't know what happened there, but I did want to share this with you. Really, like I said, really fun video to make. Be sure to comment down below and let me know what you thought about all this. And then other than that, I'll be seeing you here tomorrow for another video on the channel. Later.